Special edition for leftovers again. We've got Camden from the YouTube channel Fortnite Brothers. There'll be a link in the description. He's going to show us, well, we're going to show you how I make fried chicken with him doing most of the work. Alright, Cam, we're going to go ahead and take the chicken. Get a handful of that chicken. Okay, 2 handfuls is fun. Put it inside the egg. Mix it up real good with your hands. It's going to be really slimy. What's it feel like?
It's disgusting. It feels gross.
Okay, well now take it from there and put it inside our mixture we have. Our mixture is easy. It's just a bunch of flour, not measured out. A ton of brown sugar, because why not? Some pepper and chicken seasoning. Alright. Now take that chicken and get that mixture all over it. Okay, kind of shake some of the mixture off of it. Okay, not pull it out of there, but get some of the mixture off of it when you pull it out. Okay, just like that. Put it back in the egg. We're going to do it twice. Get it all. Alright, Kim, put the chicken with the tongs in the oil. The oil's pretty hot. So make sure you keep your hands away from the oil.
What is happening?
Oh, there you go.
I know how it works.
Yeah, you're going to put it in. It's not all going to fit. So we're going to probably have to do 2 different rounds.
Oh, that's already hot above. Just...
If you want, I can take over. Alright. We checked some of our chicken already. There's no pink. And we're going to go ahead and put it over here into the strainer. Gets all the grease off of it. We used napkins before and on a plate and paper plates, but this seems to work really, really well. And we can reuse the oil for our leftovers.